crap, guys, here it is. It's finally here. It's finally here. It's finally here. It's finally here after a whole year of doing this. I've been planning 365 days, almost to the exact point when I contacted this company, and it finally is happening. We've been back and forth on just little stuff, logistics. I emailed them a couple times at the end of the year, decided to save up. And then recently we've been going at it and wound up pretty much falling in love with each other. Not gonna lie, it was kind of like a little love story. Finally went through with it, pulled the trigger. So I would like to finally introduce, here it is. Boom. You see it, you see it, you see it? What we have here is the Track Dog Racing Track Supercharger Kit, or centrifugal blower, centrifugal turbo, centrifugal forced induction, powered by a belt. There you go. That's what it is. It kind of sounds like a turbo, but technically it's a centrifugal supercharger. Anyways, it's more power. More power. More power.
More power.
More power, baby.
More power. Anyways, after talking to the guys down at Track Dog Performance, we wound up getting along really well, and they kind of hooked me up with some stuff. So I'm really excited to install this for you guys. First off, we're going to open the boxes. We're going to check what's in the boxes, and then I'm just going to make a video, basically an install video from start to finish on what it takes to install it on an NA. This one's going to be a track car, so I'm not going to... There might be some stuff that's a little different than your daily, because a lot of it's just gutted. So we're going to start with just doing an install video from the beginning to the end, all the way to tuning. And I'm going to take you guys along the way. I am super excited about this. Finally, after like 2019, 2020, 3-4 years of running this car naturally aspirated, I'm finally going to get some power. I'm not going to know what to do. It's probably going to make like 165 horsepower, but I'm just going to think it makes 1,000 because it used to drive 105 horsepower. So yeah. All right, let's start with this first box here. Oh. Get this open. Oh, look at that. They just sent me paper. Jeez. Jeez. Now it's all nice and packed. Nice and tight. Let's see. One box. That's a catch can. Here's some intake piping here. Some coolant hoses. Some elbows, intercooler, I'm assuming. More. Oh, there it is. The piece of la resistance. Cannot grab this with one hand. All right, that's the most important part. Oof, let's check this out. I'm excited about this. Let's see what this looks like. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, snap. Woo. Oh, yes. Oh, he's so small. Such a small thing packs a big punch. No, it's not about the size. See what's in this box. More paper. Instruction manual with the USB drive. We know what we do with these. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. And then extras. I don't know. I'm kind of curious what the extras is. Now we got bracketry that's with more coolant hoses, or not coolant, like that. Not that. Oh, there's so much. Oil cooler. Oh Lord, that's open. It's an accordion, Callie. Hold that, thanks. More coupler kits. More coupler kits. Fittings and adapters. Dog barking. Air filter. Bracket for the blower. Heat shield. Blow off valve recirculating. Some duct work. Yeah, and there's all that. All right, what's in this box? Open this up. Some more ducting. Yep, some more ducting. That's the cowl and the radiator cover. Those were the two intercooler piping runs down, and I'm willing to bet that that's intercooler piping. Yep. Yep, that's what that is. And judging by how light this is, I'm willing to bet this is the intercooler, or no, the radiator. And this is the intercooler. Yeah. So there's for most of it. There's for most of it. There is for most of it.
There's for most of it.
There's for most of it. Well, that is most of it. I will fully do unbox these, obviously. I don't really have a place to put them right now. My garage is kind of a mess, so I'm not going to fully unbox everything and have everything just scattered out everywhere. But for the most part, that is what's in the box. Now, like I said, I did not get everything. I didn't need everything that they have. Like, I have a set of headers. I actually have like 3 sets of headers. Headers. I'm running a standalone ECU. I have the fuel injectors. I have the clutch. I have like just, what else do I have? I have a bunch of other stuff that they also include in their kits that I didn't need, so therefore that's why this box kit is so small. But I am looking forward to installing this guy with you guys, and I'm super excited, and I cannot wait to take you along the journey. So, if you want to see the rest of this install video for later on down the road, subscribe. I also want you to comment below. What would you have done? Would you have built the NA motor? Would you have K-swapped it? Would you have turbocharged it? Or would you have supercharged it? Let me know in the comments below what you would have done if you had a track car. Or if you do have a track car, what it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. See you on the track.